Good evening. We interrupt your special broadcasting to let you know that the Samsung Galaxy Fold is having display issues on millions and millions of devices. Okay, so maybe a couple of YouTube tech reviewers have decided to peel off the coating on the front of the display. I think this is $1 million mistake made by Samsung, because if you look at the T-Mobile version, the retail version, the packaging says right on the front, there is a special coating on the display of the Galaxy Fold and to not remove them. So we're seeing people take those off and it's actually malfunctioning the unit. Now there have been one other report that's showing that something is popping up on the very bottom of the display, but we don't know what's caused that or if anything has happened. The Verge, I think, was the first ones to report it. But as of right now, we don't know what's going on. I think it's pandemonium. I think a lot's going on. I think people are reacting to a couple of situations right now. Now, there is only a handful of people, at least that I know of, that have the unit. So seeing a couple of issues like this is concerning. I have one on pre-order, so of course I'm heavily invested in this. So we'll see how this pans out, but I just wanted to show you guys the latest information on what's going on with the Galaxy Fold. Do you think this is $1 million mistake that Samsung made by not putting that information on the review units? I think they did, because the damage is already done. People, I bet you right now, are already hitting that cancel button. Samsung, I think you guys are going to have to rethink some of those review processes. Make sure the review units are exactly identical to the retail product to cover your butts. So hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to click that thumbs up and subscribe. If you guys are going to buy the Galaxy Fold, or you have any interest in it, or are you not going to? Is this going to affect you with what's going on with the displays? Let me know down in the comments and I'll make a special video for it and I'll put your comments in the video. But we'll see how it goes. We'll see how this pans out. So I'll see you guys on the next video.